everyone, please welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you my Maserati. This is the Levante and it's a year model 2017. I'm going to do the brake job and it's very easy and very simple to do it yourself. If you take to the dealership, it will cost you a lot of money, but by doing it yourself, it only costs you the cost of parts. And it's very simple and it's easy to do it. And I'm going to share with you the front brake job. What parts I'm using, I'm going to list the link under description. Let's get started. I have the parts with me. We need the jack. We need a 17 millimeter. Then tools. These are the brake pads we have for the front. I will list the part numbers under my description. So this is the jack up point. Before we jack up, we're going to loosen the lug nut. Once all the lug nuts are loose, now we're going to lift the car. This is the biggest one, H10 hexagon Allen wrench. We're going to open two bolts, one from the top and one at the bottom. Once these are fully open, now we're going to remove the retainer clip. It's very easy to remove the retainer clip. You press it and squeeze it and then you take it out. It's always a good idea that we're going to tilt the wheel. The top's open and the bottom one we're going to open. We can take the caliper out. Use a bigger screwdriver and just pull it down. So once we pry with the screwdriver and then you wiggle it and it will come out. The brake pads are pretty worn out. Now we need to press. Don't remove that old brake. Press the pistons back. So this was the reason I was saying that don't remove the brake pad on the back one. Tighten it and it will push the piston back. So we're going to make sure that the pistons are pressed in all the way. So if you have two of them, then it's much easier. If you have a one tool, then you do it. So once we press the bottom one, now we need to press the top one. As you see, it's fully pressed in. The whole reason we are pressing it because the new brake pads will take more room. So if you don't press the piston back, then the new brake pad won't fit in. As you can see, the pistons are fully pushed in. And now we can remove the old brake pad. And now we're going to insert the new ones. This one is pretty worn out. These are the brake pads. The passenger side don't take sensor. And the sensor goes on the driver's side. So these clamps, we're going to put it in just like that. And we're going to press it in. We're going to remove the tape. After removing the tape, now we're going to insert just like this. Put the caliper back. Since the pistons are pushed back, we have enough room now. Make sure that you push the bolts back. So we're going to make sure that the teeth is sitting on top of it. This is what I meant. Make sure that it's fully seated on both sides. Just like that. And now We're going to put those bolts back and we're going to tighten those. So we're going to press it in and we're going to make sure that it's fully latch in and we're going to tighten it. As you see, it's start to tighten up. So we're going to make sure that it's fully tightened. And now we're going to go on the bottom one and we'll do the same thing. Make sure that it's fully tightened. The retainer clip is very easy. You make sure that you put it inside the hole. Do it like this. That's how easy. Change the brake pad, and I'm going to do the driver side the same way. Now we're going to put the wheel back, and that's it. Once the wheel is tightened, we're going to move the jack, and now we're going to work on the driver side. One tip I want to share with you, that whenever you change the brake pads or you change the tires, you tighten them and you just drive like a mile or so, then come back and make sure that you test all the lug nuts and make sure that they are fully secured. We're going to make sure that all the lug nuts are tightened.
Turn it off.
That's how easy. Change the brake pad. Now we're going to put the wheel back, and that's it. So if you found this video to be helpful, like always, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.